So we'll just have to keep track of how many laps we got to go around. Remember, we got to go outside of the first barrel, inside of the second barrel, outside of the third. These guys ain't watched much NASCAR, have they? No?